What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I'm taking a look back at the last 4 to 5 months of my Instagram content, and I'm pulling out all those valuable pieces, such as how I do FBM orders, checking out at the Nike store, mixing in the family, all that kind of value-added stuff. So definitely check it out and give me a thumbs up if you like it. $75% off all the toys. And then a lot of the other stuff is 25%. Killer. Target, not so hot other than the clearance. Oh man, it's raining out. Next store though, totally killed it. Over $350 worth of toys and such that were 75% off. And then other stuff was 25% off, so killer. Story from the 9 to 5 today, guys. Lady comes in, she wants E. coli testing for her boyfriend's well. All right, that's fine. He lives in Jackson County, which in Iowa, Jackson County, there's an ongoing joke that why go across the street to find somebody when you can just go across the hallway? Now, that's slightly disturbing, but hear me out. And she goes on about how she had to go to Milwaukee, Wisconsin and get some visit her doctor, and Madison to see a gynecologist. Okay, lady, TMI, shut up. And then she ends it by saying, oh, and I also want to get the well tested for my husband. Wow. It's Mama Bear's first time flying a kite, too. Literally just scan everything. Like, I'm in a little bit of a crunch, so I'll do the ones with threes. I do those, but I'll skip things that have onesies and twosies of things. Had a few casualties, cutting board to hot pan. Didn't notice it until it started smelling. And then finger to potato peeler. Otherwise, though, the post was geared a little towards Mexican food, but Mexican food's cheap. Tonight, though, with the same ingredients, I tell. This guy's stacking up that paper. Damn.